Let's get straight to the point. This is exactly how I make £11,000 or $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And these are my actual clients. I'm not going to show you the name and the email, but these are all the subscription, the website hosting, reputation management, and we got $297, $497, $197, and some of the $97 hosting fees. And as you can see, this is one of my client who has been with me for 1.5 years, and they started working with me on August 30th, and the last payment I got was on December 30th last month. So I'll be getting paid this month, the same date. The reason why I'm showing you this screen is because people may think you will get a client for $497 and lose it the next month. No. These clients have been with me for 1.5 years. So you can know that this offer is a sticky offer. And if you don't want to struggle getting clients every single month, and if you want to start making monthly recurring revenue just like me, watch this video until the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest service I'm providing, how to get clients in a week, and how to deliver the service in just 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm not showing you my Stripe account and all the clients I have just to flex on you guys. It's just to show you that it is possible. I was just a normal guy who was cleaning toilets, mopping floors just 2 years ago. The main reason I quit all of my job and moved across the world in Bali, enjoying my life, just because of this exact business model. And if you want to do the same thing, watch this video until the end. So this is how I make $15,723 every single month in a monthly recurring revenue. And if I simply put the entire business in a simple line, I look for businesses who don't have a website, and I sell them a free website, and I sign them up for a monthly recurring revenue anywhere from $97 to $497. And this is exactly how I do. What I offer is a monthly recurring revenue go high level system. You may have two different questions. What are the systems and what is go high level? Let's answer the first question. So this is the go high level software I was talking about. This is a white label software where we will build our free website. I will show you in a minute how the free website works. You don't have to build anything from scratch. And since it's a white label software, it has my own logo and own domain name. And when I said a free website and all the automation, you don't have to build anything. Go high level has pre-built automations up front. You just have to click the check mark. That's all. And the automation is done for your client. You don't have to waste a lot of time. And the first offer we do is the free website. All I do is go inside the template, click continue. And this is where you get to choose any niche and any different website inside the template area. And the main reason we do this because people like free stuff. And when local businesses don't have a website, we can go in and mention that I actually built you a free website. Guess what? They will be interested and they will like it, because it's not just like a clunky kind of website. These are the website we are talking about. Look at this. It's a proper well-built website, and clients will be paying $2,000 to $5,000 for this exact website. The only thing you have to do is change the logo, change the description, change the images, and connect the domain name. That's all you have to do to sell this free website to your client. Just for once. That's the magic about this business model. You just have to do this once for each client, and they will be paying you $97 to $497 every single month. If you want to copy paste my entire system just by one click, the system which I'm personally using to bring in $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month, and I'll be teaching you how to outreach the client, how to close the client, and how to deliver the service as quick as possible and start stacking your monthly recurring revenue. And I'll even jump on the weekly coaching calls to answer all of your questions, and I'll help you to get more clients in a matter of days or weeks. You don't need to figure out what to sell or who to sell it to. Everything is done for you. If you just want to copy my entire system and start making monthly recurring revenue, then click the first link in the description and you will get in the entire system totally for free. So after giving them a free website, this is where we upsell to all the automations like missed call text back, auto 5-star review, and automated lead follow-up. The £97 subscription you would have seen in my Stripe account is just for the free website. That's it. It's just the website hosting alone. And if they want other stuff like missed call text back, automated review, and automated lead follow-up, they have to pay more, anywhere from $197, $297, or if it comes to everything combined along with reputation management, that will be £497. So that's going to be around $600 every single month. Let's say you're selling this website to a pressure washing business and you're attaching the missed call text back, the review automation, and the lead follow-up. This is the most simplest way possible you will make monthly recurring revenue. Let me show you how. So if someone is calling your clients with this phone number, which is included inside our Go High level, you can set up the phone number inside your client's sub account, which means we own the phone number of the client. That's why I mentioned it's a sticky offer. Once they start getting the booked calls within the website, the Go High level will take care of all the automation. And the only thing you have to do is go inside the sub account and click the tick mark which says missed call text back. It will send the missed call text back automatically. You don't have to do anything, and your clients don't have to do anything. And if you want to add an AI chatbot inside the website to get more leads, all you have to do is go inside the website builder, go inside the settings, and click on default widget and click save. And when you go inside the preview link and when you click refresh, bam, there you go. It didn't even take me 30 seconds. You can set up the automation on the back end, and the Go High level team will help you out with setting up everything on behalf of you. Yes, you can ask Go High level experts to set up all these things for you. Even if it's easy, you can actually do it. You can also ask the expert to do it for you. It means you are getting clients and someone else is delivering the service for you, and you will be getting paid in a monthly recurring revenue. And the next thing we will be selling to our clients is the reputation management. This is the one I charge £497, which is $600. Let me show you why I charge this much money. For example, if you are sending this link, we do have a campaign where we will take a list of pre-existing clients of your client's lead, and we will send them this exact link to get more reviews. So what if someone clicked on 1-star, 2-star, or 3-star? Let me show you what happens. When you click on 3-star, it will go inside their internal feedback loop, asking for name, email, and feedback. By this, they will know what's going wrong inside their business, and they can fix it on the back end. It's not going to affect their Google ratings. Or else, if they want to give them 5-star review, then it will take them straight to the Google My Business page where they can leave a 5-star review. And what you're seeing here is the exact reason why I said it's a sticky offer. This is the only reason clients stick with me for a long term, which is this mobile app. As you can see, this is the exact app. It's a gray label app, and this is where they can see everything, all the conversation, all the review, all the missed call text back, all the calls they're getting, and all the automations which is bringing in the leads for these clients is taken care of this gray label software, which also comes along with the Go High level account. And since we are saving them a lot of time and a lot of money, as you can see, website costs a lot of money upfront, $2,000 to $5,000 or pounds upfront. No one has that much money to spend on anything. But if you pitch them a service like, I'm going to give you this 5,000 website totally for free, but you have to pay the hosting fees, which you have to pay for any other website. In this case, you don't have to pay the 5,000 upfront. You're just going to pay the hosting fees. And once they started working with you, once you start building trust, you can upsell them for the automation, the missed call text back, and the 5-star review. And you don't just have to stop with these offers. That's where, when you have a lot of trust with these clients, when they start working with you for a long term, you can upsell them with paid ads, SEO, and custom websites. Usually, I used to do SEO, but I stopped doing SEO and I'm not good with paid ads. This is what I do, custom websites. So inside the call, if you would have seen my sales calls in my channel, this is what I usually do. I pitch them a free website. Inside the meeting, I upsell them with a 5-page website. anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. And that's where I make a lump amount of money for a setup fees. And also I get the hosting fees for 97 if they just want the website, or if they want the reputation management or the missed call text back, any other additional service, I charge them 197, 297, or the 497 in a monthly recurring revenue. Now let's talk about how to get clients. So that's the main thing people are struggling, and I've been getting lots and lots of comments and DMs saying, yes, it makes sense, but I can't get clients. What should I do? And this is what you should do. How to get clients. I'm pretty sure when you're starting out, you won't have any money for the ads. And if you do have money, start testing with ads and start getting clients, inbound clients. That's going to be helpful for you. And if you don't have money, we are going to do lots of cold calling and lots of Facebook group outreach. We have two different stuff. The main reason is cold calling is a direct approach. You will directly know if you're going to get client or not. Facebook group is a different strategy. It's like spray and pray. You'll post a certain kind of post inside the Facebook. You should be praying, like you should pray that people are going to see this and people are going to reach out to you and you're going to get clients. In both strategies and the both situation, and whenever I ask this question, like how long have you been doing outreach? Whenever I hear 2 weeks or even 1 month, it kind of pisses me off, because the first 6 months, I was struggling really bad to get clients. And after lots of trial and error and trying lots of bunch of different things, I started figuring out what to do and started getting clients. And I'm not gonna show everything on this video just because I don't want people to ruin my strategy, because this is the main source of income. And I'm thinking about starting my outreach again. And if everyone is doing the exact outreach, I will not get clients. And trust me, if a guru is showing a client outreach strategy, which he is doing, no one's gonna show what's working for himself. And that's what I'm gonna do. If something is working for me, let me show you something, because lately I've been getting lots of questions regarding why I haven't been getting any clients, because the last client I got until yesterday was 3rd of October. For the 3 months, I didn't get any clients. The reason is because I'm in Bali. I was traveling a bit, so I stopped concentrating on client outreach because I was already making this monthly recurring revenue. But yes, my goal is to make $20,000 a month. So I need to start getting clients. So I'm starting to test out lots of new strategies, and I hit a jackpot. I started doing strategy yesterday, which was January of 8th, and I booked a meeting and I closed the client and I delivered the service. Everything happened in just one day. And this time I am going to gatekeep this strategy which I came up with, because I just signed a first client in just one day and I delivered the service. And I have lots of booked meetings throughout the week. So I don't want to ruin my business just to get some views on YouTube. But if you're really struggling to get clients and if you do want some help, I will have this exact strategy inside my community. Yes, I can help few people out, but I don't want to ruin my strategy for my business. I want to make money as well. This is my test strategy. I was just figuring out what works. So I started with the 47 Australian dollars. But I'm going to have the same pricing for like 497, 297 or 97. And that's all I want to share in this video. And I want you to realize that I was cleaning toilets and mopping floors 2 years ago. I wanted to realize that if I can do this, you can do this as well. I'm not some magical being just popped out of nowhere and start signing clients. And I hope you got some value out of this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.